Hey there, fellow investors. If you're eager to start buying mutual funds through JP Morgan's self-directed investing platform, you've come to the right video. Whether you're a beginner building your portfolio or a seasoned trader looking for a straightforward guide, this tutorial will walk you through the process in simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, make sure you have a JP Morgan self-directed investing account set up. If you don't, head to their website or app to create one. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can see your current investments and account overview. Now, let's get to the fun part, buying mutual funds. Start by navigating to the Investing or Trade section. Here, you'll find a search bar. Type in the name of the mutual fund you're interested in, like a popular index fund or a sector-specific one. JP Morgan offers a wide range, so take a moment to read the fund's details, including its performance history, fees, and risk level. This is crucial for making smart decisions. Once you've selected a fund, click on it to view more information. You'll see options to buy, sell, or add to your watch list. To buy, enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares. Double-check everything, your total cost, including any transaction fees, and then hit Review Order. This step ensures you're confident with your choice. Finally, confirm the purchase, and voila! Your mutual fund shares will be added to your account. Remember, investing always comes with risks, so it's wise to diversify and keep an eye on market trends. If you're new to this, consider consulting a financial advisor. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Happy investing!